Yo, what is good, everyone? Wait, this is not my skin. That feel much better. Anyways, as you can see, it's a rainy day today, and the reason why is because of this thing right behind me. Now, in my previous video, by the way, thank you all for liking that video. That video has reached over 15 likes already. I appreciate y'all. Y'all doing good. It's like y'all really want me back. Bro, why did I sing like that? Anyways, as I'm saying, today's a rainy day because of this thing right behind me. The reason why I say that is because I actually did it. If I can find it. Oh my, okay, there we go. I actually got the Ruby shotgun. How did I get it? Well, if you watch my previous video, I found out at the last part of my video that you can actually buy this for Pixel Pass tickets. Now, right now I only have 11,000 because I wasted a lot on this. For some reason, when I bought this, it kept going. It never stopped.
First of all, congratulations, Mr. Krabs.
Hello, I like money.
But these did, except this. So if you're willing to get the Ruby shotgun, you got to spend a lot of pixel tickets. So you do the math right there. So basically, in this video, I'm gonna show you the Ruby shotgun and how powerful it is. People are saying it's just like the Ultimatum 2.0, or could be as the Ultimatum. We're gonna prove that in this video. So leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below if you're gonna get this weapon or not.
Oh hell no!
Jumping in the match of Silent School to see how it is. Oh god, there's people. Okay, so it did not one shot, and I have on level 10 modules on. Oh, he got slowed down. Nah, buddy. It's not. It's pretty good for some reason. Dang. It's actually pretty good. Oh my god. Oh god, I'm massacring this lobby. Dang, he just spawned too, by the way. You just gotta make sure people are not behind me. I knew it. Oh, I almost killed myself. No, he didn't. I'm just getting chased, bro. I knew it. Bro, what? Let's pick right behind me in case. Yep. No, I'm not gonna lie. It's pretty good. And I see why people are complaining, like not many people can get this weapon. If I didn't see that offer for the Pixel Pass tickets, I believe you. I believe me. I would have never gotten this. Nope. I just completed that task. I'm late. Alright, so the match finished. I got 28 kills, and I'm not even far from the guy in first. And I only use shotgun. These people use anything in their armory. So doing 28 kills in this match is pretty good, just by shotgun alone. How are you not dead? This is so. Oh, it sucks for the people that can't even get this, and how broken this shotgun really is. It's baffling. Ah, my kill got sold there. If I'm able to win this match just by using shotgun, this could be better than Ultimatum. Right, I'm in third place. Not bad. Dang! Oh, I gotta get my B's out. Why is it shooting like that? Oh, it feels like I'm hacking. This doesn't feel right. Oh, I'm in first. No way. No way I win this. No way I win this. I just won a game just by using the shotgun alone. There's no way. I feel so bad. I had to take a screenshot, sorry, but I feel so bad that I just did that. I am so sorry for the people I have eliminated in that match. If you see this video, my apologies. I didn't mean to do that, honestly. The way how this shotgun plays in a public match is pretty broken. If you're pay to win, I recommend you to get this weapon. If you're free to play, I hope to God you get it. If you do, you're gonna be the most broken primary shotgun player in that match if you got level 10 mods. That being said, I'll I'll see you guys probably in the next video. Peace out.